You guys are really, really, really amazing in just stepping in right away. Like, you came and saw me, I think, the day of or the next day that I called. It was a really fast reaction. And just your office, you and your whole office's general approach to the situation was really relieving. I was involved in an accident on the freeway a while back, and I was basically just driving to work like I would any other day, and noticed the traffic in front of me coming to a stop, a lot of brake lights and everything, so of course I stopped, and the car behind me also stopped, and at that time I heard screeching and kind of grabbed the wheel and braced myself, and sure enough I heard a big slam, and then I felt a big slam, and then I kind of bumped into the car ahead of me. Well, I immediately knew that I got hit hard enough in the back, which isn't a strong point for me anyways, that I was going to have some damage there. I didn't know the extent of it, but I knew that I was in a pretty serious accident. I didn't feel comfortable talking to the guy that hit me. I didn't feel comfortable talking to his insurance company because I knew they were working in their own best interest. And I did not feel like I was adequately prepared to represent myself in a battle against them for some sort of fair resolution. I started calling around, and I was referred to Ross, and you helped me with dealing with the claim for my vehicle, which was totaled with the other insurance company, which wasn't even part of our arrangement, but you still helped with that and took a load off of my shoulders in that regard. I just was very impressed at the level of attentiveness, and I could just tell right away that you guys were going above and beyond and really looking out for me, and that's why I chose to stick with you, and I felt very comfortable working with you during the entire time. The orthopedic doctor that I was referred to and the other chiropractor that I was referred to are both very knowledgeable, treated me very well. I felt like I got great care from both places. So I had never hired an attorney for anything before. Of course, there's a whole bunch of things that you hear people, they make jokes and say things about lawyers and stuff, so I kind of had a little bit of apprehension, I guess, and just making sure that I was dealing with someone that was going to be ethical and treat me fairly and also aggressive at the same time. I also just wanted to make sure that at the end of the day, financially, that it worked out, and that I wasn't going to get duped into some strange agreement or some strange contract where when it's all said and done, I was winding up with nothing. And again, that was something that I felt very at ease with once I had sat down with Ross and talked about things and kind of worked things over in that way. I really liked the way that it was handled, that I was contacted with the different offers that were provided by the insurance companies, and how Ross reacted to those, or reacted to me, I guess, and my responses to those. He pretty much did what I asked him, and played exactly how I had hoped that he would. So it worked out great. I'm happy with the way everything ended up, and I'm just very thankful that I chose this firm to begin with.